Hi guys, my name's Steven, this is today's Tech Talk, and welcome to another video. So in today's video we're going to talk about Smart Switch. So if you've ever purchased a new phone or you've ever wanted to transfer your old data from your old phone to your brand new phone, Smart Switch is the way forward. So Smart Switch is exclusive to Samsung devices, and if you've purchased a Samsung device you can transfer your data from your old phone, whether that be an Apple device, a Samsung device, a Huawei device or another brand. You can transfer that right over to your brand new phone. So today I'm going to use an iPhone 11 and I'm going to transfer the data over to an S20 Ultra. Okay, so how do we do this? So first of all, what we need to do is we need to take our brand new Samsung device, which is going to be the S20 Ultra. We need to go into settings and we need to look for Smart Switch. So how do we find Smart Switch? Click on Accounts and Backup, then we can see Smart Switch from there. We click Smart Switch, we agree to what the terms and conditions are, and we allow access to our device. What we're going to do is we're going to receive data because we're receiving it from the old iPhone 11. So what you need to do is you need to log in with your existing Apple ID and password. Okay, so if you're using an iPhone, what it will do is it will search for any data that you have on iCloud. If you're using a Samsung device or other Android device, it will simply do it through wireless. So Smart Switch is able to bring over your photographs, your videos, your documents, all your other data over to your brand new Samsung device. What's great about this is that you don't have to actually do much work in order to get this information over to your new phone. In some previous devices, it would be quite difficult if you had old memories that you wanted to bring over to your new device and you couldn't get them there. Samsung Smart Switch makes this easy so that you can do it with a couple of clicks on the screen. So in this case, all we're going to pop over is apps. So as you can see, it's importing our stuff and it will choose how long it takes. So this can take anywhere from say 1 minute to 30 minutes depending on what amount of data you have. So content will be imported over to your brand new Samsung device, as easy as it looks. All I clicked was one or two different selections there, and we've seen that the data was able to come over to my brand new Samsung S20 Ultra within a couple of minutes. What it may request if you're coming from an old iPhone is that you switch off iMessage in order for new text messages to come through to your S20 or other device that you've chosen. This is simply because iMessage is not compatible with any other device apart from an iOS device. Smart Switch has been activated from my old iPhone 11 to my brand new S20 Ultra in a couple of minutes. This is very easy to use and you can follow these steps that I've shown you to do this in future. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Steven, this has been today's Tech Talk, and make sure you share our videos for more future updates. Thank you.